Hi, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the Sus4 guitar chord using the 5-string or A-shape pattern. So, this is what the Sus4 5-string or A-shape guitar chord looks like for a C Sus4. And again, don't forget to subscribe and like. So in this example, we're playing the C sus4 guitar chord. And what we're going to do is we're going to start off on that root note. And that root note is on the 5th string, 3rd fret. And we're going to play that with the index finger. And then I'm going to just bar my ring finger, and I'm going to bar it over the next 2 notes, which will be the G note, which is on the 4th string, 5th fret, and then the C note, which is on the 3rd string, 5th fret. And then I'll end it there using my pinky finger on the 2nd string, 6th fret. And then when it all comes together, this is what it sounds like. And don't forget to strum it and also work on those individual notes. And that's a really cool chord. And your sus4 is basically your 1st, your 4th, and your 5th of a chord. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed the video and check out my other videos.